Okay, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna do rated or hated with these two balls. Ready? Here's the first ball. Comment down below if you saw this ball before. Like if you like this ball more. And let me get my 50. Oh, 1 second, guys.
Lexi get some sand, honey? Can you help Lexi carry the sand from upstairs?
Which T-Rex do you like more? The rainbow T-Rex or the green T-Rex? I think. So which one do you like more? This one or this one? This one's brand new. I got this just a couple weeks ago. Which one do you like more? The bunny or this one? The Among Us or this one? And that's another one. And I'm gonna. So this is one of my favorite toys. I know. Have you heard of Layla fidgets? I think is that. But yeah, there's a video. I like her, and she's my friend's sister. And I got this. These are called like squish balls. Put them down below if you remember. And below if you like this. I like 1 second.
Start.
Anyway, now we're gonna rate them.
Start.
I'll give this a 7 out of 10.
Man, let's get
I'll
her
give
ass.
this a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. A 10. A 9 out of 10. 8. 8 out of 10. A 10 out of 10.
Jax,
What?
come on, bud.
Okay, that's it. And all the puppets, 10 out of 10. Let's end the video. Thank you for watching, guys.